Hi everybody and welcome to Sailing Chandlery. In today's video I want to have a look at the new Zhik Superwarm Gloves. So this is a second generation pair of Superwarm gloves. So Zhik have taken their previous version, evolved it and brought out this new version for 2026. So these are essentially cold water gloves for sailing, made out of neoprene. They're super stretch, nice, comfortable, warm, a few extra features. So Zhik have put a lot more grip panelling all the way down the inside of the glove here, so all the way down all of the fingers and all over the thumb as well and up the front here. So better grip system, longer lasting, covers more of the glove. And then the other things they've done is they've extended the cuff of the glove so it actually comes up higher, so it's taller, and they've also put a material around here which kind of shrinks and grips to your wrists to stop water flushing inside. So in terms of putting these on, they're a bit tough to get on if I'm completely honest, but once they're on there's a nice tight comfortable grip. You can bend and flex your hand nice and comfortably. You've got a lot of grip. There's a natural kind of pre-bent shape to how your hands would usually sit rather than being like this. So they're really comfortable. They go up a long way, so if you've got a wetsuit or another top over the top, you can put that over and maybe like with this secure it down to keep the water from flushing. But yeah, nice and comfortable, true to size. This is a large I'm wearing, which looking at the size chart is perfect fit for me. Nice and comfortable, and the great thing about these is there's a nice thermal inner lining on this, which is really quick drying as well. So if you're going to go sailing on Saturday, potentially get them wet, hang them up overnight, they'll be dry on Sunday, ready to go to keep your hands nice and warm. So we'd definitely be recommending these for the start of the 2026 sailing season for those colder sailing days. The grip looks much better than the previous version. They're comfortable and, as I said, a little bit higher to keep the elements and the water out, keep you nice and comfortable. So these are available on our website sailingchandlery.com. Have a look at them. If you've got any questions about the Zhik Superwarm gloves or any of our other Zhik products, then just get in touch with the team. We're here and happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.